back at it with another video today. And on this episode, we're going to be going ahead and unboxing a brand new AOC gaming monitor. I did sell my Acer that I had. Some guy bought my MacBook Mini that I had, $525. I was like, go ahead and take it, man. Let me go ahead and buy me something brand new. So we went ahead and went to Micro Center, picked this bad boy up. Cost me like $299, probably $322 after Missouri sales tax or whatever. This right here is 27-inch curved monitor. It is AOC's second generation from the G line gaming monitor. This right here is the Aoc Cq27G2, the 27-inch curved gaming monitor. So some specs on this bad boy right here is the curve on here is 1500. It does have QHD, which pretty much QHD means like it's double the standard quality, the old standard quality of 720p. It is apparently better than 1080p as well, so it's not 4K, but this right here does have capabilities of doing HDR as well. So I'm pretty sick to, pretty happy to get this bad boy unboxed, get it hooked up. My old Acer I had was the VG270. Honestly, I bought it on eBay for 70 bucks, and what I was buying was a standard 24-inch monitor at first, but they sent me the 27-inch 75 hertz. I was like, ew, but hey, I got a deal for it. They normally run for like $189, I believe, so you probably find somewhere cheaper. I paid $70 for it. I ain't mad at it. But yeah, so this right here also has adaptive sync, 144 hertz. I like that. Has a 1 millisecond refresh time. It supports HDMI. I believe this should be an HDMI 2.0. I did not read the full details, but hopefully it's 2.0 and not 1.4. That right there probably be a bad deal. So probably will take it back if it is a 1.4. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy unboxed, and we shall see what's inside the magical AOC. All right, cool. So here goes a more close up on what's actually inside the box or whatever. Of course, we have our little instructions on how to do certain things. Looks like this is how to set up the stand that goes for it and how to properly hook it up. Huh, that's strange. That's strange. And then over here we have how you should actually take this thing out the box. So we're going to go ahead and follow those quick instructions, and hopefully it doesn't be scary. Let's go ahead. So I don't know if you guys seen the last AOC video unboxing I did drop the freaking stand on my foot, so we're not making that mistake today. So in the box, of course, we have our warning. It has English and perhaps Chinese writing on there, I believe so. Yeah, so I guess, yeah, some more stuff on how you should actually unbox this. Let's go to the English version right quick. Yeah, so that's that right there. Then we have our quick setup guide book as well. Something like that. All right, I think that's everything. So, oh, of course. Okay, cool. So we got our display cables as well that we're gonna be probably still won't be using a display cable. Probably just gonna stick with HDMI. Let me see what else I got. Okay, cool. Here goes the HDMI cable. Definitely gonna use this to hook up everything as well. Yes. All right, cool. And then we got our power cable. Ooh. This one is way much bigger than what I had for the Acer. I guess it's okay for a monitor. All right, cool. That's it. So let me go back to the instructions. So they said they want us to lay it down first and then pull it out. I guess. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the box over. It's gonna be reckless, but please, no whammy, no whammy. Okay. Think we safe. Well, I mean, I would pull it out on the side. What this bad boy is that? How I got hit last time. So yeah, here goes another stand right here. I'm kind of liking this stand right here. I'm going to pull it out the bag for you guys. Ooh, it's like a nice space gray with red on it. I'm digging this color right here. The other Acer I had, which is all black and red, but this look real nice. It's a nice finish on it for sure. Oh yeah, those look real nice. but then we go to the ugly side, but back to the nice side. Let's put that to the side. Then we have our stand right here. This Unbox. This right here, hopefully it matches the stand, which it don't. It's whatever, I guess. I don't think that makes any sense, you guys. So, you know. Yeah, this doesn't match the stand not one bit. It's two different colors. But I guess they like it can go together. So, but yeah. Okay, it'll sit like that. So there go the stand right there. We're gonna be hooking this thing up to this little thing most likely. Cause I don't want this big mess right here, but you know, I'm gonna keep it just in case. Alright. Oops. Alright, let's go ahead and get the monitor out now. Lucky kitchen knife as well. This kitchen knife is gonna be famous one day. Remember, you guys, the green kitchen knife, never wash it because we just unboxed. I'm gonna rip this plastic open. All right, and the moment we all been waiting for. Let's see if we can get this bad boy unboxed. Let me change the camera angle for you guys. So I want you guys to see this beauty right quick. That should be cool. All right, cool. So there we go. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up right quick. We can be good with it. Okay, cool. So we opened it up on the right side. That's cool. Face down is always the best way, I guess. Only when it's in styrofoam. Only when it's in styrofoam. Nothing else. Alright. This stuff stinks. It's like somebody died in this box. I don't know how long this bad boy been sitting. Oh my god. I can't even. Alright. Forget it. Get out. Oh my god. This thing is actually kind of heavy. Not a lot. This is styrofoam. Okay. Whoa. This thing looks freaking beautiful, dude. Whoa. This is. I'm digging this right here. Oh yeah. It's the Aoc. The G2 out of their gaming series. $299 on Micro Center. The link will be down in the description below because I have been doing some research and you're probably gonna pick this up for $350 somewhere else. So definitely, if you want to buy this monitor, go to Micro Center. $299 there. $348 probably at Amazon, and on the Aoc website it may be even expensive, more expensive I should say. So yeah, like I said, QHD adaptive sync, 144 hertz, 1 millisecond refresh time, and it supports HDMI. The Aoc, it definitely has two HDMI cables as well. Has a 3.5 thing as well for your the headphone jack. You plug in your speakers. You know, I got the Logitech speakers. You know, I can't get rid of those. That was magnificent. So yeah, so that's pretty much it we have today. We're gonna hook this bad boy up real soon. Probably do a little. I'm gonna play some Call of Duty on it actually. So I'm gonna hook this up. I'm gonna be right back with the video. Show you guys some little gaming footage. Be right back. All right, you guys. So yeah, that right there was the Aoc gaming monitors right there, 27-inch. Like I said, I went to Micro Center, paid $299 for it. In other stores, you may get paid like $350 for it, honestly. So definitely check out Micro Center. It's only $299 right there. The link will be in the description below. Make sure you guys go check that out. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you also like, comment, and subscribe on this.